If we may. That's a message. I mean, come on. The Hierophant. Connecting with the big old animal. Taurus energy. What is the message from my babes? Look at the way you fucking connect with the fucking nature and the animals. Is so tender. So... my people, my babes. The ones that connect with the... seriously. So cute. Maximus is at my mother's. Otherwise, I would grab his ass right now. Snuggle him in front of you guys. But he's not here. But we got him, his paw on the table. Or on the deck of cards. Alright, so we have the Hierophant. Somebody is connected. And somebody is... it's not just connection with God. It's connection with life. The energy of love, life, harmony, peace, prosperity, positivity. It's all the good energy here. Somebody's connected with the all that there was and all that there ever will be. What's the message? Look at the way you connect. And you can clearly do this with people. Somebody is... I want to connect with somebody. Oh, wouldn't we all just want to be in this moment for fucking ever, just sitting there like that? No, if you can't sit in somebody else's arms, then allow somebody else or some creature to sit in yours. And so it is. How cute, my Hierophant lover babes. Okay. They're so cute. Stop it. It's a lot. It's just an embrace. This is somebody. All three of these are they're embracing a creature or a person. A moment like this. My babes just know what to... it's like you just know how to embrace creatures and people and snuggle them and just... okay. That's the message. That's the message from my babes. Embracing animals and people. The Hermit. We're so peaceful. Connecting with nature and yourself. Getting those downloads, divine downloads that just make you the source to snuggle into. People want to snuggle into your sphere. Ten of Wands. It looks like you can take on a whole farm with pleasure. Child nature. You just do the work and you connect to your work. You connect to the earth and you plant seeds within creatures or the earth or within people. Full on, it's like a full it's like a Ten of Wands is just the maximum amount of responsibility. Just the heaviest load you can handle, but you just do it like it's secondhand nature. It looks like you might have somebody to help you do this. Well, that takes a little bit of the load off, doesn't it? Or somebody wants to help. Or you're the helper. Or maybe the animals are your helpers just by cheering you on. Or the fruit of your labor is I don't know. Something here is beautiful. Somebody is a hard worker, connected to the earth element, and here is able to go deep within and connect. Somebody here knows how to listen to the wind and the rain, or the ocean, or the leaves and the trees. The birds sing. What's the message, my babe? So cute. Love you. Thank you for being here. 5 of Pentacles. There's a shift here in your resources. Either coming out of restriction, or you thrive in restriction because on the outside of, let's say, the city, you can hear things better and you can connect to this child nature energy, to the animals. Okay, what's the 10 of Wands and the Lovers? Both working hard, juggling the things, juggling your lover with the land. Somebody can handle the whole farm and the lover. Probably because you work together and you balance things out for each other. It's like, all right, you do this and I'll do this. And together you do this. It's interesting because we have animals, another, a lover, but then we have the hermit who is isolated, and then somebody's like outcast, and not outcast, but it's like on the outside of things. Somebody is able to go within by being without or out. Something like that. What's at the bottom here? The Tower. Well, like I said, with the 5 of Pentacles, there could be a shift in your resources. You could be coming out of some sort of restriction in the near future. Something might happen. Like my car got a little, like it was acting funny. And I was like, sweet! An excuse not to go to Vegas. But then I looked under it and it looks like I just need to pick up a pipe, like tie a pipe up there, and I'll be MacGyver that shit and I'll be fine. But like, if something, drastic might happen, I do have to move in a minute, actually 5 minutes, so I am moving. Something happened, so that's happening, and who knows how that's gonna turn out. Anyways, something got shaken up, and maybe you'll find by having to move or switch something up, you'll be able to tap into this energy better. And right now it feels like you know, it's like, again, we're shifting again. It's like, this could be a good shift. It feels like you're handling the juggling the things. So that's gonna be okay. Let's just get one more from my big child nature energy. Looks like you're gonna be working with somebody if you're not already. They're gonna take a little bit of the load off for you. Ooh, just got a surge. Can we just share the load? I'm tired. Anyways, one more for my babes. Just trying to get them in, if we may. Don't wait to get picked. Don't chase anything that doesn't want to be caught. Instead, pick yourself up and forge ahead.